Hi lovelies, so we're going to get straight into it. We are doing that cute little helium love heart balloon that you've been seeing all over Instagram. Well, I've certainly been seeing it all over Instagram. This gel I got from, I think it was Temu. So it's a real sort of easy to sculpt. We're going to get a big dollop. Big dollop. Sometimes it does stick to the gloves, but I'm going to roll it into a circular shape, pop it on the nail, and then we are going to make it into a love heart using our silicone tool. So we're just going to make it love heart shaped, cut in the middle there. Just squish things down just a little bit. Sorry, I realised that was taking the focus off, so just mould it, faff as much as you want, but probably not too much, because like I always think, I have it best when I first do it and then I faff about and ruin it. So we're just going to make those little indents that happen to those helium balloons, so round the top of it and sort of round the sides and the bottom. So I'm just using a little cuticle tool that I use to sculpt my 3D work. So just round the sides, just sort of like where the little folds happen naturally on that cute little balloon. And then what we want is to have a long, thin piece of this sculpting gel to go around the outside and then indent all the way. I think this stuff is so cute. The design. I think I saw it. I can't remember who I saw it first. I don't know. Claws by Tasmania or something. I don't know. But it was so cute. I wanted to see if I could do it because, in case you haven't noticed, my Wicked Part 2 nails did not come out because they went to absolute shit. So, I wanted to give something a try that I thought I could definitely handle. I have actually redone my Wicked nails today and I will be wearing them, but my first broomstick attempt looked absolutely hideous, so rubbish. So we've got it all the way around the love heart there, and we just need a tiny bit just for the little bottom bit of the balloon. So we're just gonna get a tiny, just to be that bottom bit of the balloon where the string comes out. I've not bothered with a string. You can put a string on if you so wish. But yeah, just flatten that down a little bit. And there we have. We're just going to do the little indents all around the side for the seam of that balloon. It really actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. So I was quite pleasantly surprised. You probably will be too. Next, I'm going over it with gel paint because I want to chrome this baby. I want to chrome it with a really nice deep red. So gel paint, you can do it. You can go over it with a no wipe top coat, but it's easier to see where you've gone with the gel paint, and where you still have left to cover, because obviously you need to cover all of it to get the chrome to stick to it. And you find that gel paint is generally a no wipe, so that's what's best to use for chrome. I've got a few little valentines nails coming up. I've done like 3D silicone mould roses for the first time I've ever tried using a silicone mould with gel. It went okay, pretty well. Also we've got the little cat eye velvet bow coming, and today I have just done that really, it's so simple but so effective, like the result, the like blooming gel rose. So if you're interested in any of those, please stick around. Sorry, took a little pause there. My mother-in-law sent me a little video of my little boy playing. So we're just making sure we are covering all of the balloon. You don't obviously want to do it too thick because you want to make sure those creases still show. So yeah, I got this chrome. I think it was from Shein actually. It's like a powder, not a pressed one. But I use what's in the lid because you don't need loads. Just using an eyeshadow applicator. Oh, look at that red. Oh, it worked so well. I'm so pleased with this design actually. I mean, the bottom bit could have gone a little bit better. Sometimes that stuff is just so sticky to work with. It's sort of hard to get the shape you want, but a lot of the time it delivers some good results. And I really, really enjoy doing the 3D stuff. It's like, I don't know, like mini sculpting, isn't it? It's just, I just find it really fun. So there we have it all chromed up, and I'm going to clean this up. Voila, voila, voila. And there we have a little helium balloon. Obviously it could look a bit neater, but I thought it was pretty good, so I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you think it's any good, if you like it. If you want to see more Valentine's Day designs, then please stick around. Like I say, I think I've got about 4 coming out. I'm surprised I had the time, really, but just little designs. Didn't take too long. Now we have our finished helium love heart balloon. Add a little string at the bottom, maybe chrome it, finish it off. But I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know. Give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much. Bye.